Hi everyone, I am Konika Datta. There is a lot of basic difference between formal education and soul learnings. Soul learnings is our birthright. We can't evolve without soul learnings and proper financial education. What we throw to universe echoes, and universe always throws it by compounding effect. To get more video, please join my WhatsApp group. Namaste. Hi, I am Konika Datta. Life is a journey of soul learnings by a trustworthy mentor like Dr. Sandeep Gupta, father of a wealthy accelerator hub. Money needs a proper direction like our kids. Our kids can do miracle if we give them early financial education launched by Dr. Sandeep Gupta in WOW community, which was missing in our childhood. To get such videos, please join my WhatsApp group. Namaste.